ethanol and ethanoic acid. Ethanol. Ethanol is commonly known as alcohol and is liquid at room temperature. It is an active ingredient of all alcoholic drinks. It is a good solvent and hence is used in medicines. Consuming small quantities of dilute ethanol leads to drunkenness, but intake of a small quantity of pure ethanol can lead to death. Ethanoic acid. Ethanoic acid is commonly known as acetic acid. It is a part of the carboxylic acids group. When 5 to 8% solution of acetic acid is mixed in water, it forms a substance called vinegar. The melting point of pure ethanoic acid is 290 Kelvin. Because of this property, it freezes during winter and hence is also known as glacial acetic acid. Carboxylic acids are characterized by special acidity. However, as carboxylic acids are not ionized, they are weak acids.